Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and link your EA account to your Steam account. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and head over to the official site of EA.com, and once inside you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon that you have, and you will go ahead and get these two options right here to sign in your account or to create one if you don't have one. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and click on sign in because I already have my own account. I'm just gonna go ahead and log in right here using my own account. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon again. Now it can go ahead and look a little bit different now because we're logged in inside our account. You want to go ahead and click on the account settings. Now it will go ahead and take us to the account settings right here. You want to go ahead and browse through the tabs that we have. Just go ahead and click on the connection tab. And once inside, you will go ahead and see the connections that you have inside your EA account, and you just want to go ahead and click on this theme right here. And just beside that, you want to go ahead and click on the link button. But since I'm already logged in my Steam account, the only button that stay here is the unlink one. Yours will be different. It will go ahead and say link. After clicking on the link, it will go ahead and prompt you to the Steam account sign in. Just go ahead and sign in your account. Then you will be asked if you really want to go ahead and bind your account with your EA account. Just go ahead and click I agree, and then you will go ahead and link your account with your Steam account. So guys, that's how easy it is to link both accounts right here. And if you enjoy watching this video, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.